Hello! Today we're gonna start our tour here in Italy with Beeb. Say hi, Beebs.
What up? I guess the first one is...
Where are we gonna go next?
Antonio Emanuele.
Emanuele. Look at that. We are just...
Vámonos. That's... 100%.
Okay,
It's
Trey,
a
I
lab.
got this.
Barking loud. Don't run into that pole. Don't run into that. No idea. Don't get too close to that dog. Hey, dog.
Okay, we are on the way to Santa Maria Maggiore.
Imprava falsi templa, Kovon dam novinis ibente Mosca. What's up, baby? Repubblica Piazza della Repubblica.
So nice. So the walk here in the city is very easy, and it is advisable that you would stay in a hotel where everything is near, so you could just walk in.
The Bougie Hotel. Oh, she's a thug. She's a thug. See? That is the tip for crossing streets in Rome.
Here in Italy, in Rome especially, you have to be a thug to survive.
You have to be a thug to cross, like this girl right here. Look at that. Look, she don't care. Look at that. Thug. Thuggish. Look at them cars. They just stop.
Let's go. There's no traffic light. You gotta cross for yourself.
Yeah. This is it. Shot you?
Welcome to Trevi. We're about to go to the fountain of Trevi. There's so many people. So on Instagram, they said it's not many people in winter. They're wrong.
They wrong though. way, lead the way.
To the Spanish Steps.
You gotta say it in Spanish.
What's Spanish for walking?
Bienvenido.
Bienvenidos, Spanish Steps. I'm here.
What's up, baby?
I'm hungry.
Me too.
I'm ready to get to eat all of Italy. So, what can you say about Italy? First day.
First day is very beautiful.
Yeah? Which one is your favorite?
I'm gonna have to go with the Spanish Steps.
Spanish Steps?
They got a good view.
My favorite is the Trevi Fountain.
Trevi.
Yeah. Even if there was a lot of people, even in winter, Trevi is still a must visit.
Yeah.
Hey, you enjoyed it.
Yeah, and this place is cool too. Whatever this is called.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry now. This place is Popolo. I keep forgetting the name. Popolo.
Yeah.
I like Popolo too.
It's nice here in Popolo.
Popolo is
We're just
dope.
chilling because we are so tired walking.
Y'all.
So, can you watch the other stuff? Yeah, there's a big pillar over there. And there's taxis, as you can see. Yep, we are excited
As
to
you
eat.
can see, we are hungry.
Ready to eat a pizza and
We
pasta.
just need to find out
Yep.
where.
Bye. See you later.
Deuces.